Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to change your keyboard language on your Windows 11 operating system. So, let's dive right in. First, right-click on your Windows icon, then select Settings. Alternatively, you can search for Settings or Language Settings directly. Inside Settings, click on Time and Language. Then, select Language and Region. To add a language, click on Add a Language. I'm going to add Arabic Egypt in this example. After adding the language, you can set optional language features. Click Install to add the selected language. Now, you can see the added language and you can switch between keyboard layouts. Switch to Arabic Egypt layout. Testing the layout using the on-screen keyboard shows the Arabic Egypt letters. You can easily switch back to your default language whenever you need. So, that's it for changing your keyboard language on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video.